Kwa ihinda iraya riu njorua cia mathako ma mahenya ni koretwo igiteithia bendera ya bururi wa Kenya kuri mabũrũri maria mangi. Spika wa bunge ya bururi Moses Wetangula akiuga gutiri sekta koretwo igitambia ngumo ya bururi wa Kenya ta ruhonge rwa mathako na muno makiria mahenya agikinyiriria ni ruhonge rubatie gubashirirwo makiria.
There is no country, not even America, not even China, not even Germany, that has their national anthem playing in international capitals more than Kenya's. This is because of the tenacity, determination, and the will of our athletes. I love football, but I love athletics even more.
Akiaria hindi ya mahenya ma the great CHEPSAITA KAUNTIINI ya UASIN GISHU, Wetangula ni oritie bunge ya bururi thukire mbeca makiria kuri ruhonge rwa mathako.
Naomba wabunge wetu na kila mtu, hasa wabunge kule bungeni, allocate more resources to sports so that we can grow our talents.
Wetangula oho ni oritie muingi unyite mbaru thirikari ya President William Ruto niguo kumehotithia gukinyaniria kioneki kiayo.
And we must support the government to ensure that Kenya lives to meet and fulfill the dream of our president from a third world country. First country. If we did it in 30 years, we can do it in even less. No doubt that our talents are boundless. Our talents have no boundary. Our talents are fathomless, and our talents will take us to where we must be.
Atongoria geria muma hamwe na Wetangula ni muteithiriria wa President Faruk Kibet, Governor wa UASIN GISHU Jonathan B, Governor wa Kakamega Fernandez Barasa katakati kage. Girifotera Kameme TV, ritoria kwa ni Mubi wa Shege.